Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about the same question which is asked in job interview for C programming language. So the question we what we have covered in the previous video is swapping two numbers, but as this is the second type of swapping, that is using the arithmetic operations. So when your interviewer asks you to remove the temporary variable and do it without temporary variable, so at that time you have two options, that is using arithmetic operations and using the logical operation. So in this one, what we are going to do is we are going to cover this second type, that is using arithmetic operations. So when your interviewer says that we don't need to use the third variable and do the swapping without the third variable, at that time you have to use this logic. So I'll just go to the code. So here you will see that this is the code for swapping two variables using temporary variable. That is the type 1, what we have covered in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it. It is very short. In that one, you will understand what is the code I've written here. So the base is A is having 50, B is having 100, and I'm printed here before swapping. And in the using temporary variable, I'm swapping these variables A and B, and I'm printing it afterwards. But in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to remove this temporary variable, and I'm going to write it as temp swapping without temp, that is with arithmetic operation. So as we are going to remove the temp, first thing what I'll do is I'll remove the temp from this logic. So the change what you have to do is we have to assign the value a plus b to a. So what is going to happen here is a will have value a plus 100. So here value of a is 50, value of b is 100. So the final value which is going to be stored in the a is equal to 150. So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to swap this value by using b equal to a minus b. So value b, what is going to happen is from a, that is value of a now is 150, and from that p will be subtracted. So currently the value of p here is 100, so that we have to subtract, and so final result will be 50. That is 150 minus 100 will be 50. So now b is now having value 150. B is now having value 50. So what is remaining is a. So what we have to do is a minus b. So currently b is having value 50, so that will be considered here. So in this line, what is going to happen is a equal to, and now a is having value 150. So a equal to 150 minus b equal to 50. So the final result what is going to be stored in a is equal to 100. So if you have noticed that now b is storing value 50 and a is storing value 100. So as you have noticed here, that is previously a was having 50 and b was having 100. Now b is having 50 and a is having 100. So we will just save this code. So the dot is gone, that means code is saved, and we will just compile it. We'll just run it once. So here you will see that swapping is done with arithmetics. So I'm changing the printf so that you will see that this, this is the code which is running and not the previous one. So now a is having 50 previously and b is having 100, which is this printf, and after swapping operation A is having 100 and B is having 50. So this is the code which you can use to solve this problem. So in the next video, we will see how you can use logical operation to swap two numbers. So thank you for watching.